Assalamualaikum and good evening to all of you. So I am Johaira Banug Makbud and I will presenting the four main approaches to integration. First, the multidisciplinary approach. Second, interdisciplinary approach. Third, intradisciplinary approach. And last one is transdisciplinary approach. And so in this presentation, we will talk about the definition, example, and key differences on each approaches. So first, multidisciplinary approach, it is two or more subjects but same goal. One of the example of this, for us to be clear, is entrepreneurship. So in entrepreneurship, we can use math to make an entrepreneurship. Why? We can cost money, we can budget, we can do a budgetary plan. So we can use English subject because we can do a proposal plan, and we can integrate also the Araling Panlipunan because they are talking about the economy. So did you understand that the key idea of multidisciplinary is two or more subjects but they have same goal or same theme? Okay, let's proceed to number 2, the interdisciplinary. So interdisciplinary is one subject but we will integrate the another subject. So one of the example of this is sports and fitness. So of course, sports and fitness is the topic of physical education. So we will integrate the science. So in science, why we will integrate the science? Because we will talk about the rates or the health of the students. So the key idea of the interdisciplinary is one topic pero ini-integrate natin yung different subject. Diba? So, ang pang-third naman is intradisciplinary. Ito naman is one subject siya, then maraming sub-subjects. So, for example, in English, first we will talk about the construction of sentences, then we will go to checking the grammar, how to use the punctuation, the comma, the period. That's it. So in the last one is transdisciplinary approach. So in transdisciplinary approach, the key word of this is the real world problem, or we will solve a problem in real life situation. So one of the example of this is community waste engagement. So we can use this, for example, in this they can use surveys, so that they can use surveys and with proposals. So with that real life situation, nag-integrate na yung different subjects like math, English, science. That's it. So the key idea of transdisciplinary is the real life problem first and subjects are secondary. Okay. Thank you for watching.